So this is my tetherball project that I made. To make it, first I gathered this piece of plywood which I'd put the dowel on. And to do this, I centered the screw in the middle of the piece of plywood here. And I drilled a hole through the bottom of the dowel so I could use a screwdriver and just screw right into the dowel. Next, I had to gather the string in the tennis ball, obviously, and I also used a screwdriver to screw a hole through this tennis ball because I knew I need to put the string through it so it could obviously stay. And lastly, put a bolt on the top of the dowel here, and I put some string around it, and I put a little nail underneath that bolt so it wouldn't come undone, so obviously the string will stay together with the tennis ball and not come off the top of the dowel right there. So what this represents, what the physics project was designed to express, is we have a centripetal force acting on the ball, obviously when I hit it, and when it's on the ground here, you can see the ball will act in a circular motion, and that also displays angular velocity because it's not going in a straight line, it's going in a circle here. Let's see. It can go in both directions, obviously. It also displays angular acceleration too, because when a force is applied to this ball, let me try that again. Obviously, right when it's hit, the angular acceleration is much higher than it would be at a point like right now, because the force exerted on it will make it move or make its angular velocity much higher initially than it would be right now. So some difficulties I came and encountered were basically putting the string through the tennis ball was a little tedious. So, I mean, I got it done, but it took a little while to do that. Constructing this whole thing did not really take too long. More or less gathering the tennis ball, the string, buying the dowel, finding the piece of plywood. That took up most of the time to build this project. I really enjoyed making it. I'll upload another video. You can see that you can actually play a game of tetherball. It's far from realistic from the real tetherball, but you can have one person aligned on one side, one on the other, and basically just hit the ball, and whoever obviously gets it around first wins. So with not much going on right now these days, my brother and I have sat down and played this a couple times. It's pretty fun. And yeah, that's my project.